And hello everyone, this is Mick for Nexus here at 299 Potters Avenue. Single family home here in south end of Providence, and we're about to tour this 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, single family home that is located on 299 Potters Avenue, and you can see it right in front of you off a Broad Street. This is a Broad Street there at an intersection. Front porch, lovely, sturdy, spacious front porch overlooking Potters Avenue. And we are about to enter the main entrance, and welcome to 299 Potters Avenue. A 4 bedroom, 2.5 bathroom, single family home located in South Providence. Welcome. Recently updated, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, single family home with original hardwood floors that have been wonderfully redone and shine great. Tastefully painted in light gray and white trim color. Set of bay windows, as you can see, and it's a wide open here on the first floor. As you come in, you'll be greeted by this lovely foyer and the coat closet right straight ahead. Once again, a wide open double living area here with a just number of windows, a very bright unit, high ceilings, and another wide opening into the pretty open dining room. Same shiny hardwoods here, and opened wide into dining room connected to this well-equipped, very modern kitchen. Please note, stainless steel appliances include large refrigerator, 4-burner gas stove, stainless steel dishwasher, and we have a granite countertop and like new cabinets. Black stainless sink with updated faucet. Just wonderful kitchen slash dining room. Again, very bright, plenty of room for a large dining set, and it flows into this double living area again. Stainless steel appliances, tile floor here, granite and tile, new cabinets. Very convenient location for a half a bathroom here. It continues to the rear of the house, please note. Modern, wide vanity, very large mirror, and you have a toilet there. You do have some linen storage beyond those bifold doors. As you can see, a new tenant welcoming package from Nexus. If you're a tenant of Nexus, you'll be able to enjoy benefits of paying your rent online. You'll be able to request maintenance and chat live with our staff 24/7. And you did take a peek at the backyard, detached, at least 2-car garage there. It's pretty empty. Driveway for additional off-street parking is on the left-hand side. 2-car garage, detached. We have 4 bedrooms, and they're all on the 2nd floor. Look at the stairs. Very nice, spacious upstairs as well. Here we are. Here are the hardwood floors of newer and different style. Another set of bay windows making this top of the stair area very desirable. Excellent seating area, maybe nice reading or desk area. Same gray, light gray paint, and bedroom number 1 is straight ahead. Spacious enough for a queen size bed. You can try a king size bed. I imagine it would fit in, but will provide the rest. Will provide the space for the rest of your bedroom furniture. So it's bedroom number 1, one of the 4 bedrooms in the front of the building. And as we go down the hall, we will see each bedroom as they come up. For example, bedroom number 2, same style. I think queen size would be ideal. Queen size bed would be ideal for this room. Each room has a nice wide closet with shelving and plenty of electrical outlets. Bedroom number 3, we will call it a master bedroom due to its spacious size and a full bathroom. Bathroom here has a tile floor, stand-up shower cabin as you can see there, and a nice vanity. So full bathroom. In bedroom number 3, a master bedroom. And again, another white closet, double window. Queen size would fit perfectly for these rooms. We do have a bedroom number 4 and another full bathroom, which is in a common area, pretty much shared. So this is the 4th bathroom, another closet, as I mentioned, with shelving. Very good. This, I imagine, will be quieter bedroom due to being towards the rear of the building. However, we do have a full bathroom, so 2nd full bathroom, wide vanity, a mirror as you can see, toilet here, and this one has a tub, tiled all around, and ready to go. And once again, this is Mick for Nexus. We're here at 299 Potters Avenue. It's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms, single family home. It's located in the neighborhood of South Providence. Has a driveway, detached 2-car garage, as well as front porch and a small backyard. Beautiful downstairs area, a wide open, double living space, formal dining room. And the house is ready for immediate occupancy. Once again, this is Mick for Nexus here at 299 Potters Avenue, Providence, Rhode Island.